welcome back to my channel Tistas Creativity. Today I will show you how you can draw a coconut tree in a scenery. This is a special hack to draw a coconut tree. So let's see. First of all, I will draw the bottom of the coconut tree. Here you can see I have drawn this. So here is the bottom of the coconut tree, and now I will draw the leaves. So here I have drawn it and drawn another one. This structure which helps us to color the leaves, so I am drawing this. You can do it directly if you are pro. So here is all about the structure which I am drawing with my drawing pencil. Now it's time to color this. For the bottom part, here I am taking the brown shade, the dark brown shade and the light brown shade. I also use the yellow ochre shade. Here I am using DOMS color. Firstly, I will take this dark brown shade, and I will draw this dark brown shade at the border line. You can draw it just like me, or you can start it from the opposite side also. So here is the bottom part. I have covered it with this dark brown shade, and now I will lightly put this color over it. Color blending is really very important. So for blending this color just like a pro, I am doing this part. So now I am using the brown shade. So here I am blending the brown shade with the dark brown, and you can see that color is really blending very well. If you follow my technique, your drawing also be just like a pro. Now give it a lighter shade, and now I am putting the light brown shade. This is the light brown shade, and you can, if you have not this shade, you can use yellow ochre also. So I am putting the light brown shade. It is really very beautiful texture. It gives really a very beautiful texture. If you use so many colors from bright to light shade, then your picture will be really very good. So here I am putting it, and now I will put this yellow ochre shade. I am putting the yellow ochre shade, you can see that, and I am blending each color really very well. Now I will put this dark brown shade at the border, because we all know that coconut tree has a really very dark bottom part. So here I am doing it, and I am blending it with the lighter part. You should do it just like me, then your picture will be really very beautiful and really very gorgeous. So now I am putting this brown shade at the bottom part. So here I am putting it, you can see this. So now I am putting this dark brown shade at the bottom part. So it is almost ready, the bottom part is almost ready, and you can see this. For to give this picture a great look, I am drawing some grass under this part, and for drawing the grass I am using this sap green shade, olive green and yellow green. If you don't have yellow green, you can use light green also. So here I am starting with the sap green. Draw the grass just like this because it will give a natural look to your picture. You should draw this just like me. This is really very simple. If you practice it, then it will be helpful to you. So now I am drawing this. Today I am drawing only a coconut tree, that's why I am showing this tutorial. Now I am using olive green part, and olive green part is here, which will give a natural look. So now to match this color, I am using the dark brown. So here is the dark brown shade, and I am using this to match the color with the grasses. This is really looking like just a pro. So in this way I am blending this, and I will give it a dark look to the leaves or to the bushes. I like dark bushes. You can do it by light way, but I like this part. So now it's time to give it a lighter shade. It's time to give it the yellow green shade, and I am putting this yellow green shade. Using various types of color in your drawing, from brighter shade to lighter shade, from the dark shade to the light shade, it will increase the brightness of your color. So you can see I have completed it. Now it's time to do the top part. So here is sap green, olive green and yellow green, and I have dark brown also. So now it's time to draw this part. So I am giving a lighter touch of dark brown color to this. So here I have drawn it, you can see, and here I am drawing this also, and here this part also. Just draw this like me. Don't draw the side leaves because it will destroy your drawing. In my preference, if you draw just like me, it will help you. So almost done. Now it's time to give it a shade. So I am taking this sap green one, and I am putting this sap green over the dark brown. So see this, it gave this part a really very darker shade than deep green. You should use this color. If you use deep green in the place of sap green, it will be better. Sap green is the best, but to me. So when you will use deep green, then you can draw this. You should draw the brown part also. After making a outline with this brown part, then you can put the deep green. It will increase brightness of your drawing. So now it's time to make the lips, and here I am putting it from the lighter shade. So here this is, so see this, here I am putting the lips. Can you see this? How beautiful it is looking? So guys, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel to get more tutorials and more drawing videos. Now I am putting the olive green. So here is olive green part. If you draw coconut tree just like this, it will be really very beautiful. If you like this video, please like to my channel and please share it among your friends and family. Now it's time to put the sap green. You can see that here I am coming from the lighter shade to the dark shade. So I am putting sap green over it. Can you see this? How gorgeous it is looking? So now it's time to put the dark green shade. Here I am using this shade named deep green to give it a sharp look. It's really very bright. And now touch the sap green from the inner side. One leaf is almost ready. In this way I will draw all this 1, 2, 3 and 4 leaves. You see that how I have covered it, and now it's time to fill up this blank one. So to fill this, here I have taken this dark brown shade, and you can see how I am matching this. You should also match this just like me. And now I will put this olive green shade. So here this is almost ready. Now I am giving a really dark brown shade to these leaves. This shade will make more marvelous these leaves. You can see the difference between this one and this one. So let's do it. Here I have almost done. If you draw this, I am sure then your parents or your teacher will be really appreciate you. Just follow this method. Don't copy me. I am not telling that copy me. Just follow this method. If you follow this method, then your drawing will be really very beautiful. So now it is almost ready. So here I am putting this color, but it's time to give it a border with the glass marking pencil. My black glass marking pencil of Apsara, and now I am bordering this bottom part. In this way I will border this. So I have bordered it and give it a darker shade. Now I will give a darker shade to these leaves. Just see how I am doing it. So now I am making this dark, and now I am putting this color. I am doing this with the black glass marking pencil because it have a very sharp. So I am doing this. Now you can see the difference between this one and this one. So in this way I will cover these 4 leaves. So now my coconut tree is almost done. If you want to put a good appearance or a good background to this picture, you can do it. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get all notifications of my channel. So I am putting my signature here. Tista.Chaudhary. You should put your signature over your drawing. For that, no one can copy your drawing. So I am putting it here, and I am all done. So today is no more. Tata. Bye bye. See you on next video.